Welcome to Bermuda, home of pink sand, sun, and swizzles. Here are some places you're not going to want to miss when you visit this beautiful island. From east to west, let's go! First stop, the old town of St. George's. This is the site of the first permanent English settlement. Here you'll find a replica of the boat which first discovered Bermuda, as well as some historic buildings, shops, restaurants, and maybe even a nag getting dunked. Let's head over to Cooper's Island, a lesser-known spot to enjoy nature and empty beaches. Next stop is Blue Hole Park, one of our favorite spots on the island. It's so diverse here, from mangroves to caves to cliff jumping into the electric blue hole. You're probably tired and need an ice cream. How convenient that the best ice cream shop on the island is just around the corner, Bailey's. If you're really hungry, then across the road is the famous Swizzle Inn. Stop in for lunch and a rum swizzle, or 5. To walk off that lunch, head over to Bailey's Bay and pick up the railway trail. Once spanning the whole island, this beautiful track is now the perfect place to admire the turquoise water. Now on to Spittle Pond. This beautiful park is Dan's favorite spot. A loop around the pond will take you through forests and along cliff tops. You won't catch many tourists here. Hamilton is the capital of Bermuda. All the action happens on French Street. There's always a party going on here. Check out Dan's mom busting some moves with the locals. If you've had enough partying, there are also some nice parks to get away. Admiralty Park is a popular spot for cliff jumping. Uh-oh, this looks higher than I expected. Once you brave the cliffs, make your way back into the park through the secret caves. Moving down to the south shore, you'll find the best beaches on the island. But before you get to the beach, have some barbecue. Our favorite place to eat is Pit Stop, a casual place serving the best barbecue food. Okay, now it's time for the beach. You'll be spoilt for choice, but here are our favorites. The first is Marley Beach. Look out for the hidden track off South Shore. You could easily drive past without ever knowing this gem is hiding behind the trees. Horseshoe Bay is the most famous beach, rated one of the best beaches in the world, but because of this, it's also often the busiest. Want to get a bird's eye view of the island? Climb up Gibbs Lighthouse. You'll get the best views and see all the white roofs that are a symbol of Bermuda. If what's on land doesn't float your boat, you can always dip under the waves for some diving. There's plenty of wrecks to see. It's not called the Bermuda Triangle for nothing. These are just a few of the things we'd recommend, but there's plenty more to do. Come and see for yourself.